Hey there, I'm Sean C. Davis, and I'm going to show you how you can test your Netlify redirects locally so that you have confidence they can work before you deploy to production. Because even though we all do it, we probably shouldn't test in production, right? Okay, let's jump into the code. Here we have about as simple of a website as we can. We have an index file, an about file in a public directory, and we have a redirects file in the root of our project that redirects /team to /about. So really we only have three routes. We have our home page, we have our about page, and then we have this extra /team route that will redirect to the about page. Now my package.json file, I've installed the HTTP server dependency so that I can run npm run dev. And all it does is spin up a super simple server reading the files from the public directory so that if I go to the browser, I have my index file, I can get to my /about page, but if I try to go to /team, I get the browser's default page not found 404 error. And that's because I'm just running this simple server and there is no team.html file in here. Now, if we deployed this to production, it would work totally fine, but we don't want to test in production, right? We want to test locally. So what we want to do first is install the Netlify CLI, which we can do with npm install -g Netlify CLI, and I like to add at latest to make sure I'm getting the latest version. So after that's installed, I can run netlify dev, specify the directory I want to open the server in, which is public, and it will automatically open the project in the browser on port 8888. And here we go. Everything looks the same. I've got my home page, I've got my about page, but the difference is now I can click on my team link and it takes me back to my about page. And let's test this again. I'll go home, I'll click team over here, and I end up at /about. And we can even see this in action. If we type it in directly, I can do /team, and I end up at /about. So that's it. You can use the Netlify CLI and Netlify dev to be able to mimic the production behavior locally on your machine, build that confidence so that you don't have to test your redirects in production. We'll see you next time.